Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Ultra Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5. These two plots a single red trend line that rises and falls with price action, giving you a clean visual read on trend direction and strength without color changes or extra clutter. Although the indicator on this chart, so you can see how it looks in real time. The Ultra Trend Indicator draws one continuous red line directly below your price chart in a separate sub-window, so closely following the general direction of the market. When the line is sloping upward, it implies a bullish environment, and when it's sloping downward, it implies a bearish environment. Because the price or the line hugs the price and smooths out some minor noise, we can quickly see when the underlying trend is threatening, flattening, or starting to roll over without the distraction of multiple colors or plots. The bar's settings in its input controls how many historical bars the indicator possesses and displays, effectively determining how much trend history you see on the chart. Meanwhile, the length defines the core look-back period the indicator uses to smooth prices, directly affecting how reactive or slow the red line is to new moves. The sensitivity fine-tunes how quickly the line adjusts to changes in price action, with higher sensitivity making it respond faster with more wiggles, while lower sensitivity makes it smoother and more stable. While the progression influences how the smoothing evolves as new bars come in, shaping the way the line transitions between rising, flat, and falling phases. Now you might be wondering, who is this indicator for? The Ultra Trend Indicator is suited to traders who want a single unobtrusive trend line on a separate sub-window on the chart to track the current direction and avoid overcomplicated overlays. It is a smoothed price-based tool, so it will lag at turning points and can give misleading impressions in sideways or highly volatile markets if used alone. You can find the download link for both MT4 and MT5 in the description below, and also read more about the Ultra Trend Indicator, its configuration, example charts, and usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.